all those bait fish jumping over there. It's a red or there's something in there. So we're gonna ease up here. And then we're just gonna do this. Hopefully not spook it. Hit a couple of times and see if we don't catch it. And it could be a stingray. Nope, there was a red in there. Spooked it. There's one right there. You see it pushing. Let's see if I can't. That's right on top of it. Come on, come on, come on. There it is. It's a little smaller red, but it's a red. Tell you what, he's not happy. There's a good flounder. Oh my gosh. Holy shnikes. What a fish. Sheesh. Wish I knew how big he was, but look at that flounder. Let's see. I'm pretty sure this is like 18 inches. I'll have to measure it. Sheesh. I don't know how big this thing is, but that's a good flounder. We'll see. He goes a whole freaking foot like there.